Good morning this Thursday, the 16th of October. I'm Grady Wolf, Senior Market Analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street edged higher on Wednesday as strong earnings results out of the Bank of America and Morgan Stanley boosted the major averages into the green at the closing bell. The Nasdaq added 0.6%, the S&P 500 gained 0.4%, and the Dow Jones ended the day just flat. Cooking oil stocks surged in the US on Wednesday after President Trump threatened to cut off US purchases of Chinese cooking oil in yet another move in this trade war we are seeing escalate. In Europe, overnight markets closed mixed as luxury brands across the region led market gains. The STOXX 600 rose 0.7%, Germany's DAX fell 0.1%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day down 0.3%. Across the Asia region on Wednesday, it was a sea of green despite renewed trade threats between the world's two largest economies. Japan's Nikkei rose 1.76%, China's CSI index added 1.5%, Hong Kong's Seng gained 2.06%, and India's Nifty 50 ended the day up 0.74%. Locally yesterday, the ASX 200 posted a 1.03% rise on Wednesday as gains from the healthcare stocks, the major banks and the gold miners boosted the key index to a positive close. Telix Pharmaceuticals soared over 15% yesterday after the radiopharmaceutical company developing imaging and therapy drugs in the cancer space released a positive Q3 trading update, including a 53% increase year-on-year in unaudited revenue to $206 million, the receipt of full reimbursement for its Gozellix product from the US Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, and the company raised its full-year revenue guidance range to $800 to $820 million from $770 to $800 million. And the competition watchdog launched a probe into the merger between Southern Cross Media and Seven West Media due to concerns it may reduce competition in an already consolidated market. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 0.15% lower at $58.50 a barrel. Gold is up a further 1.51% at a fresh record $4,205.90 an ounce. And iron ore is down 1.2% at $105.25 a tonne. The Australian dollar has strengthened against the greenback to buy 65.08 US cents, 98.45 Japanese yen, 48.77 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 14 cents. Ahead of Thursday's trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX will open the day down just 0.04%. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has increased the 12-month price target on Jumbo Interactive from $11.50 to $11.85 and maintain a hold rating on the digital lotteries business, following the company's acquisition of Dream Car Giveaways for an enterprise value of $109.9 million. The analyst sees the acquisition as another positive step in diversifying revenue, and the hold rating is maintained due to risks in market share as new players enter the lotteries market and key competitors strengthen their offerings. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Vicinity Centres following the formation of a pattern over a period of 96 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from that close of $2.54 to the range of $2.74 to $2.78, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have time for this morning. Have a wonderful day and happy investing.